Welcome to Daily News Headlines September 20, 2023. Headline number 1. Fed seen holding rates steady. Economists still expect the Federal Reserve to hold interest rates steady when it meets Wednesday, but surging oil prices are complicating forecasts for inflation and rates further down the road. While volatile fuel costs don't factor directly into rate-setting decisions, the costs push up prices elsewhere in the economy. The central bank has lifted its benchmark rate to a 22-year high to curb consumer price growth, which has fallen about halfway toward an annual 2% target rate. Headline number 2. Home insurance rates set to jump. If you thought home insurance was getting expensive, just wait. Rates still haven't caught up with the increasing risks of severe weather like hurricanes and wildfires, per a new report from the First Street Foundation, which raises awareness of climate change. An estimated 39 million homes in the U.S. are insured at artificially suppressed prices compared with the risk they actually face. When the market corrects to account for those risks, millions of homes will become basically uninsurable. That's why a number of major insurers like State Farm and Allstate have been pulling out of high-risk states. The rate of home insurance non-renewals in high-risk areas has skyrocketed in recent years. In San Bernardino County, California, for example, a single zip code saw a 774% increase between 2015 and 2021. Headline number 3. Amazon to hire 250K for holidays. Seasonal hiring is expected to be tepid this year, but Amazon is defying that forecast. The e-commerce giant says it will bring on 250,000 workers to handle holiday demand, a 100,000 job increase from last year. Employees in warehouse and delivery roles will also see an average pay bump of $1.50 an hour. Last week, analysts said holiday hiring would likely sink to a 15-year low thanks to two major factors: rising labor costs and weaker consumer spending. Retail experts are expecting only modest sales growth as shoppers hold out for deals. Headline number 4. Disney bets big on theme parks. Disney is doubling down on what it does best. Days after reports surfaced that two-time CEO Bob Iger is considering selling its TV networks, the entertainment giant said Tuesday it will invest $60 billion into its parks division over the next decade, twice as much as previously planned. Although park attendance and hotel bookings have slowed in the U.S., the world's largest theme park operator said ticket sales at international locations are booming. So is customer spending, which rose 69% at international parks over the past 5 years. One of Disney's top-selling toys may be unfamiliar to Disney fans in the U.S. Mickey Mouse's teddy bear, Duffy, generates about $500 million per year and is the top franchise in Asian-Pacific markets. Headline number 5. Airbnb using AI to limit parties. Artificial intelligence is helping Airbnb crack down on potential partiers. When the company first banned gatherings that caused significant disruption to neighbors, in August 2020, it was unclear how Airbnb would enforce the policy. The Trust and Safety team, led by Nabha Banerjee, spent 3 years developing an algorithm that looks at hundreds of factors, from the user's age to the listing's proximity to their home. 2 years later, reports of parties had fallen by more than half, CNBC reports. Since its worldwide launch in May, the new system has prevented more than 320,000 users from booking. Fact of the day. The U.S. national debt passed $33 trillion for the first time. Thanks for watching.